We're gonna make a popcorn. Aha! What's going on?
What?
Sophia, what's happened?
The microwave broke down. Now I can't make the popcorn.
Oh, I've got an idea. Sophia, microwave.
Cool!
And it works.
But it's way too small. Doesn't fit.
Yes.
I know what to do. We need a magic wand. Aha!
Whoa!
Max, let's go. Aha! Yay!
Whoa!
Whoa! Now we definitely can make a popcorn.
Sophia, it's ready.
Yeah!
Wow! Oh! What a popcorn!
Wow! So much popcorn.
So delicious!
Uh-huh.
I've got an idea! Max, let's make gigantic chips!
Wow! Okay. Whoa!
Wow! Interesting! And inside they're also gigantic!
Let's check it out.
Now it will be kaboom!
Wow!
No jokes! Inside they're gigantic as well!
And very tasty.
Very tasty!
Sophia, I've got an idea. Let's make huge lollipops.
Wow! Alright!
Yay!
Ready! Wow, Max! What huge lollipops we've made!
Yeah, Sophia, cool.
So yummy! Max, let's make a gigantic lollipop out of this huge one!
Whoa, all right. Sophia, cover your ears.
Ready!
Whoa!
It's enormous! Max, take a seat!
Kids, I'm home.
Oh,
I've got some healthy fruits for you.
Daddy!
What?
uh-oh.
We need to get everything back before Dad wakes up.
Got it. Sophia, hurry up.
Let everything disappear. Oh, it's gone.
Where is the huge popcorn and a pack of chips? Here was the massive microwave oven and the monster lollipop. What?
Daddy, you must be mistaken.
We didn't have any of those.
Strange. I think I got too much sun. Let's go to eat fruits. They're healthy.
What's going on? What is this?
Water, soft drinks, beverages. Come and buy one.
Oh, hello. I would like to buy some water.
Of course, choose one. You can pay by coins or a card.
Oh. Excuse me, but your machine is broken.
What? Oh, it's really broken. The vending machine will be fixed in 10 minutes.
Ooh, all right.
I will fix it now.
Alright, it's fixed and now you can buy your drink.
I would love to, because I'm so thirsty. Oh, different story. What's going on? What is this?
Oh!
Cool.
I've got a magic vending machine now!
And can your machine make the sweets bigger?
Let's try.
I want a chocolate egg! Wow, amazing! A gigantic chocolate egg!
Whoa!
One,
2, 3!
wow!
It's fantastic! This is a real magic!
Wow! Cool. Wow! Wow! I like them so much. Wow, what a cookie! Wow! Oh, I'm going to prank my daddy.
Hmm.
Wow! Daddy!
Sophia, I'm coming. How can I help you, dear?
Daddy, help me to assemble the box, please.
Of course, Sophia. No problem. Your box is ready.
Thank you.
What is this? What is this? What's happened to my cookies? What? Oh, how slimy is this one? Oh, it's strange. Sophia.
Daddy, I pranked you. I replaced cookies with squishes.
Okie dokie. Oh, it looks real. And smells like a banana. Well, Sophia, now I'm gonna prank you.
The balloon popped. What a pity. What's wrong with my banana? Yeah, it seems it's spoiled. Well, I'll eat watermelon. What a strange watermelon. What? It's also soft? Daddy!
Sophia, I have also pranked you.
Yes, well done! The fruits look so real! Mmm, waffles!
Mmm, what a smell!
I'll prank that with waffles! Mmm, they smell like real fruit! They smell like real fruit. Ready!
Sofia, time to eat your waffles.
I'm coming, Daddy!
Come over here till they're fresh.
Daddy, pour me a glass of water, please.
Okay, Sofia, no problem.
Daddy, what is wrong with waffles?
So strange, I don't know. And fruits became slimy. Are they spoiled?
These fruit are not spoiled. These are squishes. I just changed the plates. Look, they look very similar.
Oh yeah, really, they look so alike. You pranked me again, huh? Alright, let's eat the waffles.
Yes, I'm already so hungry.
Daddy, help me to fix the house.
I'm coming.
Daddy, help me! My house is falling apart.
Sofia, I'm coming.
My house.
Don't worry, we'll fix it.
Daddy, help me to fix the car. Daddy.
Oh, what? Bees? Oh, Daddy! Bees! Daddy!
Ouch. I'm on the way, Sofia. Oh, so many bees.
Yuck, what is that smell?
I guess something is burning.
Pizza!
Max, quickly bring the fire extinguisher.
Thanks, son. Oh, it's completely burned. Whew, how's the mummy managed this all? How can I have it all done? Ooh, what's this? Huh, interesting. Wow! Haha! Now I'm not just a dad, I'm a super dad! I'll help them all! Super dad is gonna fix it!
Thank you, Daddy.
I'm not a dad, I'm a super dad!
Daddy?
I'm not just a dad now, I'm a super dad! Super dad will fix it all! Haha!
Wow! Wow!
Super dad can do anything but fail! I'll help them all! They're a little bit too small. I've got a super dad idea. Super dad will make a super car.
Wow, what a car!
Get in, son.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Super dad is always ready to help.
Daddy, the storm is coming.
Run, son. Sofia, let's go. Kids, hurry up, hurry up.
Daddy, and what about you?
The crack is so big.
Don't worry, kids. Super dad can do anything but fail. His patches will help me.
Wow!
I'm a super dad.
Daddy, wake up!
Ooh, kids, I had such a funny dream. I was a super dad.
You are a super dad for us.